In Excel, on the Home tab, you can go up to where it says Format, and you can change the row height and the column width so that everything is a perfect square. You can also highlight cells, go to the fill bucket, select a color, and make anything whatever color you want. So today, I'm going to try to make some beautiful art in Excel. Thanks in advance for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you found this entertaining.